Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by validating the essentials so we can troubleshoot effectively. First, make sure your device time, date, and OS are current. Apple rejects sign-ins if clocks drift. Once done, disable VPN and switch networks to rule out routing issues, then try signing in. Use your Apple ID email and device passcode. If prompted, expect a verification code sent to a trusted phone or device. This initial step narrows problems to account, device, or network causes. Now you do the heavier lifting. Reboot the device to clear cached auth tokens, then open settings and attempt sign-in again. If two-factor verification fails, request a code from a trusted device or choose the phone call option. Codes refresh quickly, so act fast. If sign-in still fails, visit the Apple ID account page on a browser to reset your password and sign out active sessions. Revoking old sessions removes token conflicts and forces clean reauthentication across devices. Finish by completing the sign-in on the primary device, then re-enable iCloud, iMessage, and App Store services so everything syncs. If your account remains locked, initiate account recovery or use your recovery key. Recovery can take hours to days, so check status regularly. If problems persist, replicate the sign-in on a different device to isolate hardware issues and gather screenshots and error messages. Then contact Apple support with device model, OS version, and any logs for expedited resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.